Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video we're going to learn how to connect Claude Code with Android Studio. So it would be a very exciting tutorial. Please like, subscribe and comment below if you're ready for more and more AI and coding tutorials. First of all, we need to install NodeJS. For this purpose, go to Google Chrome and download NodeJS. Go to nodejs.org and click download Windows installer. Now let's run this installer. Click next, accept, next, and install. Node.js has been successfully installed. Click finish, and the second step is to open cmd command prompt, run as administrator, and here let's execute this command: npm install -g at Anthropic AI/Claude Code. Hit enter and wait for the installation to begin. And here we go, it's installed. Now let's check the and then authenticate. So use the command Claude, and here we go. Welcome to Claude Code version 2.1.2.0. Okay, choose the text style that looks best with your terminal. You can select the dark mode, the light mode, the blind friendly, light mode, and others. Okay, so I prefer the dark mode. Claude account with subscription, Anthropic console account, or third-party platform. I'm gonna use Claude account with subscription because opening browser to sign in. Okay, so opening browser to sign in. Browser didn't open. Use the URL below to sign in. So copy this and paste it into Google Chrome. Here we get the login screen. Click continue with Google, or you can enter your email. And here there is a message telling us that Claude Max or Pro is required to connect Claude to Claude Code. Okay, so either you need to sign up to a Max or Pro subscription to connect your account, or use your API key. Click upgrade to Max or Pro, and here the free subscription didn't include the Google or Claude Code, only the Pro and Max. So you can see that Claude Code directly into your code base. So I prefer to use this Pro plan, and here you need to pay about $17 if annually, or monthly about $20. I suggest that you start with $20 monthly and see if you like it or not. Okay, so it's very simple. You put your address line, card number, expiration date, and click subscribe. It's very simple. After you subscribe, go back to the link that we copied here and authenticate with the Claude Code. Click authorize, and you will get a code, a long code here. Okay, copy the code and don't share it with anyone. If you try to paste with Ctrl and V, or you right click here and you didn't get any paste options, go to properties here and use Ctrl+Shift+C or V as copy paste. Okay, so now let's try to paste. Ctrl+V, and here we go. Hit enter, and congratulations, login successful. And here there is 2 notes. Claude can make mistakes, and due to prompt injection risks, only use it with code. Press enter to continue. Security guideline, I trust this folder. Enter, and enter to confirm. Okay, now here there are many prompts you can add to Claude Pro. I'll switch to Android Studio and continue with Android Studio, and here we are using Sonnet 5 Claude Pro. Okay, so go to Android Studio, create a new project, name it as Claude Pro or Claude Code Demo. Hit finish, and here we go. This is Android Studio. Now let's open the terminal, Alt+F12, or click on this button. Also, you can go to Window and customize your own layouts. Okay, so open that terminal, and from here we need to launch Claude Code and integrate it with Android Studio. So here, start with the Claude function or the Claude command. Hit enter. Yes, I trust this folder. So we integrated Claude Code with Android Studio. So we trusted Claude Code to authenticate and sync with Android Studio projects. And also we can access Claude from here, type here whatever we want, like for example, edit the manifest, add, for example, add internet permission to this app.